My name is Fernando Santos Martín. I work for the University Rey Juan Carlos of Madrid. I am a professor there, an associate professor at the Environmental Technology Department. And the demonstration project that we are working in SELINA is a co-designing work between the university and the ministry about one national strategic regulation that we have in terms of restoration and green infrastructure. In SELINA, I think it's the first time in many years that we have been working in the ecosystem services mapping and assessment and modeling. It's the first time that we are really going to produce some demonstration projects that can transform or can be applied in very concrete different cases, in different countries, in different scales, that can develop or be used the information that has been in the scientific area been developed for many years, but this time is going to be applied and is going to be used and tested. And so I think that the seed of change is creating this community of practice, is this co-design between science and policy or private sectors, and apply that and learn from that. So I think that is really the seed of change that can make a difference from previous projects and experiences. SELINA is really comes in the right momentum because we have the knowledge, we have the data, we have the methods, but what we didn't have is clear demonstrations where this information can be used. So what SELINA can change in terms of the attitudes of different stakeholders, different perspectives, is that demonstrating that this information can be used in different situations for real life situation, either in public or private, that can change the way that the people see this field of research. So they can start thinking it's not just creating maps or creating values, it's really the applicability of all this information that can open new ways of thinking or new ways of making decisions based on this information. So I think this is really what SELINA can change a bit of the attitudes of different stakeholders, demonstrate the applicability of all the work that we are doing. In particular, the demonstration project that I am working and co-leading with the Ministry of Environment of Spain, we have national strategy for green infrastructure and ecological restoration. And in particular, in that demonstration project, we want to bring the ecosystem service dimension. So in previous work that in Spain has been done in terms of ecological restoration and green infrastructure, the ecosystem services dimension was not included or was not very technically included. And now with this project, the ecosystem services mapping and assessment and modeling is going to be included at national level. So based on this information, is going to be one of the key elements for trying to allocate, for instance, areas for restorations, areas for developing some green infrastructure at different landscape levels, or from municipal to regional levels, or even to national levels in different terms of water issues or agricultural aspects or urban development. So we are trying to really bring the ecosystem services information in particular in this national strategy. The demonstration project we are working is trying to connect the baseline information that we had in biodiversity, which was something that, for instance, in the Ministry of Spain, they already have information of that. They were lacking more on the ecosystem service dimension, but it was also lacking the connection between these two. So one of the objectives that we have in this demonstration project is not only to develop the ecosystem services model information, but it's also how to relate this information from the ecosystem services with the biodiversity information. And this can really bring totally new ideas on how to make decisions on the land, on the territory, because basically previously we were only making decisions based on biodiversity data. And now with the connection with ecosystem services, can connect more with the nature and society connections, and we will make decisions or try to develop new strategies to how to connect between society and nature in this aspect. The benefits that the demonstration projects can bring is more related to new set of information that in decision-making process it was not being considered until now. I really think that this new dimension on including ecosystem services information can allow to make decisions on the territory not only based on ecological conservation needs, but also trying to make decisions on human well-being or human needs. And in long term, if we make this decision, the benefits of including these nature and human dimensions can benefit from both, from conserving nature, but enable a better quality of life for the entire population. No? So I consider that the main benefit is going to change the mindset that we make decisions in terms of not dividing only ecological information or social information, but it's also connecting these two into more integrated information and decision-making processes. Our demonstration project in terms of our national level is very innovative. This information doesn't exist. So just to create, at the moment, all the information on ecosystem services at national level has relied in either very general information on proxies information or just other European level information. So just providing the information concretely at national level using national data, using selected methods specifically for each ecosystem services is going to be innovative. And this is not only useful for instance, for the national strategy that I previously commented on, the national strategy for green infrastructure and ecological restoration, but also has implication in other national or European regulation, as like the regulation on ecosystem accounting or the restoration law, the EU restoration law. So having this information created at national level will open new information flows that can fit into other regulations that at the moment it was a gap at national level. So I think in that sense is very needed and very innovative information which we will create it here.